Hey everybody, my name's Cory. I'm with Barstools and Dinettes. We're here at our Raleigh showroom. Our location's 8620 Glenwood Avenue, Raleigh, North Carolina, 27617. We also have a website, www.barstoolsanddinettes.com. You can also check that out. So today we're in the showroom. We're starting a series. I'm going to kind of give you a tour of what we have available currently in our showroom. We'll go around and check that out in a little bit. We're hoping to have other shows in this stream along with this series to educate about the distinguishing quality versus non-quality furniture. We're going to talk about some specific product offerings, some services that we offer as well, like white glove delivery. Hopefully we can present some entertaining videos as well, talking about the custom ordering process. We can get you exactly what you want. Lots of options. There will be a few videos about current items on display and clearance items. Any kind of markdown pricing that we have that's current, and in-stock items. Just giving you an idea of our showroom. We'll go into a more detailed tour here in a little bit. So today is Tuesday, May 28th. During this stream, you can engage with us, ask questions. We've got a chat. You can ask questions there, get direct answers. I'd be happy to circle back around to a particular product, explain any questions you may have about custom options. We do have a direct line to the showroom this morning. It's 919-787-6680. You can talk to an expert decorator. We can answer your questions that way as well. After this is over, you can still leave some comments in the comment section, and we will get to those questions too as soon as possible. All right. So we'll start here with our showroom tour. One of our featured lines is John Thomas. We have a large variety of their stools, large variety of their dining. All throughout the showroom, you'll see custom design centers. Wood samples. You can get bar stools, chairs, tables, in a variety of colors. You can get them with wood seats. This is for all of our products, or upholstered seats. And again, lots of options. We do feature Sunbrella as well for most of our products. Very high performing fabric. If you have kids or anything like that. Again, the dining selection through here. This is all John Thomas. Somewhere along our series, we'll feature just the John Thomas brand. And I'll go through all of the options that they offer. Products, colors, heights. Everything we have in the showroom is available for purchase directly off the floor. One of our videos in this series will feature clearance items as well. We'll go over pricing. This is one of them. And we have a huge variety. Most people drive by the store, say they've never been in. They didn't expect what they saw in here, so. We feature wood and metal products. Let's go over some metal here. This is Cali. They're out of California. Most of our lines are domestically made or North American made. Lots of options. Remember, if you see anything in these videos that you want some more information on, just let us know in the comments and we can get back to you. Most of our metal stools will feature options too. Metal frame colors, a variety there. And of course, lots and lots of material options. One thing we have that not a lot of people have is the caster dining. I know that's kind of hard. We have it both in wood and metal. Another one of our featured lines is Daniel's Amish. We will be doing another video series on this as well. Lots of different custom options with, you even get to choose the type of wood. Maple distressed, oak, quarter sawn, white oak, and cherry wood. Lots of different options. Down to the hardware and the knobs. A lot of our companies, you can choose everything from the table edge to the table legs, even the pedestal styles underneath the table. This is all Daniel's Amish through here, so that's one of the styles. Here's another style. If you want a combination of metal and wood, we also offer that. This is a metal frame with a wood back from Johnston Casuals. There's about 400 different styles of bar stools in our showroom sitting around. We have a little bit of everything. Good variety. You should be able to find exactly what you want in here. This is a North Carolina company, Tobias. Highly custom furniture here, so you can pick your nail head styles, your material, your wood color. They also have kick plates down here so you don't scratch up the wood. Another one of our featured brands you'll see in a different video is Amish. We probably have the largest selection of Amish on the East Coast, if I had to guess. Starting here, all those stools, all that dining down the whole side of the showroom there. Lots and lots of options. There's all the materials, the wood colors, different types of glass for tabletops, variety of sizes as well. All right, there's Harley right there. He's been following us around the whole time. He's just hanging out, waiting for some customers. Y'all come see us again. We're at 8620 Glenwood Avenue in Raleigh. I want to thank y'all for watching today. Our next show is going to be Tuesday, June 4th. We're going to feature some specific outdoor furniture that we have in stock. We'll go over the custom options, the ordering process. We'll get very thorough with all of that. Lead times, what we have in stock. If you have questions before then, just give us a call at 919-787-6680. If you want to be notified, please follow us on Facebook. It'll send you a notification. You can come hang out with Harley and I again next week. Again, that'll be on Tuesday, June 4th, probably right around 9:30, 10 o'clock. We'll send that out. If you want to find the video, you can look under the live tab. If you want to find any of our past videos, you can check us out under the tabs. Look under the video tab there. We are on several different platforms. We're on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube. We'll have some videos posted on YouTube as well here. Thank you again for joining us today. Look forward to seeing y'all next week.